Here's how to change your profile picture on iPhone running iOS 26. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, unlock your iPhone using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Now, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of Settings, tap your name and profile picture to open your Apple ID settings. Tap your profile picture. Then tap Edit to change your photo. Select Take Photo or Choose Photo. Pick a picture from your gallery or take a new one with your camera. Move and resize the photo as you like. Then tap Done to save the changes. This profile picture will appear in your Apple ID, Contacts, AirDrop, and other Apple services. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on iPhone using iOS 26. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.